Hi, everybody. This is Jim LaValle, the academic co-chair at A4M. And in Module 1, I get to cover a really exciting topic, and that's the use of nutrients and potential peptide therapies for endocrine disruption. Now, why is that so important? As all of us know and what you've learned, a lot of times that HPA axis gets shifted, and now there's inhibition that doesn't allow for the signaling of growth hormone releasing hormone or gonadotropin releasing hormone. And that can really lead to things like accelerated aging. So we're going to go through the discovery of what are key nutrients you can apply to your therapy regimens that will really help people to enhance their capacity to restore the HPA axis, restore their metabolic reserve and resiliency. And I think what you'll find is by marrying nutrients and other compounds to what you're currently doing to help people with their hormone therapies, that you're going to get gratifying results and that you're going to see the patient be even more satisfied with the great work that you're doing.